We are going to be unboxing the Hummingbird MK8 Premium Face Shaver. The ones that always open up from the bottom are always so tough. It talks about the Glide Master, 3 independent 360 flexing stainless steel blades designed to capture all hair growing in any direction while adapting to your unique face contours, delivering a smooth shave while reducing skin irritation. Then we have the pop-up precision trimmer. Integrated pop-up trimmer provides versatility for trimming long hairs or edging up any style. Then we have quick swap magnetic blade head. Magnetic detachable blade head for quick and easy blade replacement. Wet or dry use, convenient for any situation, shower or sink. Digital display, digital battery level display makes sure you can never caught off guard. Up to 70 minutes of runtime. Travel friendly, built-in travel lock, blade cover, and included premium travel case. And the premium travel case was included in the travel hard case with mesh accessory storage pockets. Then we have the hard case hummingbird. Let's always check under here. Might be something hiding. Always something hiding. We have the user manual, user guide, warranty, and little cleaning brush. Then we have a USB-C to USB-A cable in the case. A little bit of a mesh pocket in the case. We've got the cover, then the independent heads. Slide it down for the pop-up trimmer, then push it back down. Lock it back into place. Then we have the power button. Right now it's locked. So the travel lock feature is on. We just have to long press it for 3 seconds. 2, 1. Now it's on. We are at 100% battery. Then if you need to clean on the inside or replace the head part, you'll see these little holes anywhere on the side of the head, and it just kind of like magnetically connected. Just kind of pick it up and you can replace the head or just clean it, and it kind of just slides back into place by magnet. So here are the rules for first-time shavers. Since this is my first time using an electric razor, it's good to read up on some of the pro tips here. If you're a first-time user, allow your skin and hair around 2 to 3 weeks to adapt. So there's some growing pains there. The rotary blade is not designed to shave stubble longer than 3 days or hair longer than 1/16 of an inch, approximately 1.5 millimeter. If your hair is longer than 1/16 of an inch, pre-trim your hair using the built-in trimmer before using the rotary blades. So if you're not really sure, use this, shave your face with this first, and then use that. Take off the protective blade cover. So make sure this is off. Press the power button once to turn the shaver on. Gently press the shaver head against your skin. Glide the shaver over your face, neck using the small circular motions. Avoid applying excessive pressure, as this can damage the blade and potentially irritate your skin. Once finished, press the power button to turn the shaver off and replace the protective blade cover. A full charge provides up to 60 minutes of runtime when the shaver battery is low, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so it's as simple as that. How to maintain your shaver. Regular cleaning is crucial for optimal performance and maximum comfort from your shaver. After running for 30 minutes, the water faucet symbol on the display will illuminate, indicating a quick swap magnetic blade head should be cleaned. So you power off the shaver, you hold the shaver firmly in one hand with the blade facing up. With your other hand, grasp the head on one of the 3 notches to remove the shaver head. Slowly lift the blade head to detach it from the shaver head. Remove hair clippings trapped by the blade head and the body. So, clean out the hair by just dumping it out onto the trash or something. Then you can use the cleaning brush. Then you're going to rinse the detachable blade head through thoroughly under warm running water. This device is suitable for cleaning under open water tap. Allow the blade head to air dry. Reattach the blade head by aligning it over the shaver. When the blade head is properly aligned, you hear the click or the snap to confirm that it's aligned and in place. Replace the blade every 4 to 6 months for best results, but shaving frequency of the hair type can affect the blade life. So consider replacing it when you feel it's not optimal anymore. And this has been the Hummingbird Premium Face Shaver MK8.